Hey fam, today I am giving you a grand tour, darling, of the Marble Box, my closet studio. So I would like to thank my mother. She made sure my feng shui was to perfection, honey, okay? Got everything all together for me. And I also would like to thank Mr. Lee Gold Sticker. He came all the way from Miami, Florida for your girl and installed my shoe unit, which you'll see in a bit. And thank you to my renovation specialist, Dario. Thank you so much for beautifully executing my vision. So, my inspiration came from Yves Saint Laurent, YSL, and I visited the Rodeo Drive location and got my entire other life. I mean, completely fell in love. It was very monochromatic, lots of marbles, white and blacks. So I took that home with me and I put it into my studio. So if you are new to my channel, consider subscribing and hitting that bell next to it. Make it ding so you won't miss a thing. All right, come on in. I want to show you around. I have this bookcase and it came from Pure One. It's part of the Hayworth collection. And it's an all mirrored bookcase, but because we want to keep the magic behind the camera, we did put a backdrop, a marble backdrop in the back. So yes, these are my favorite shoes at the moment from Aldo. And I have a vintage Chanel bag. My Michael Kors, I call it Miss Valentine because it's got Valentine tones, but I got this Christmas of 2018. I don't sugarcoat with like a little lip part on it. Very cute. Amazon pumps. You can never go wrong with some leopard pumps, okay? So I have some leopard shoes, just accents on here for now. I probably will do like my perfume reviews right here and dainty things like that. I do have a Chanel mirror, but I had to flip it on the black side just because it won't be reflective. I have this mirror plates. I love those from Home Goods. I have this Louis Vuitton box, just accents, and the perfume that came in the box, because this is the most expensive perfume I've purchased to date. It still hurt my feelings, but I'm slowly getting over it. And down here I have my book in a frame because that's just a huge accomplishment, and I like to remind myself of how brilliant I am and how I inspire others, and it's just a blessing to see. And then I have some fedoras on this shelf as well as the next shelf, and then I have this mirrored plate and it rotates, so when I'm talking about shoes or perfumes or something that needs special attention, I'll put it on there. So that's my bookcase. Overflow clothing rack. It came from StoreSupplyWarehouse.com, but I've linked it below. Everything is linked below. Yes, this is my overflow clothing rack. And I have a bunch of clothes, blazers, pants, belts, everything over here. And then on this side is all my coats, heavy blazers, but really things that are used as the final piece when I walk out the door. All my coats are over there. And clothes, dresses, blazers, denim, you name it, it is over here. My window treatments came from overstock.com, but FYI, make sure you ordered two. Make sure the window treatments or curtains that you buy have two, because I had to order them individually. Yeah, so this is my little semicircle U-shaped rack, and I love it so much. I use this in between seasons, or if an item can transfer over to another season like fall and winter. All this stuff is up here. So that's it. This is my shoe unit. Y'all stay tuned. I got some special details for you all about this coming soon. So I'm just gonna give it one good whirl like Wheel of Fortune, okay? So y'all can see it. Ooh. I'll do a separate video, and you can get your popcorn and your Coke, and we'll kiki all about my shoes, okay? Y'all like my nails? Ooh. See, I'm admiring it myself, like, oh, these shoes are so cute. Yes. So beautiful. Yes, well, we're back at square one. So this is my shoe unit, my shoe closet, however you want to spin it. But yes, it's popping. Okay, people of God. So I love my couch. My sofa is sleek, sophisticated, black and flashy, just like her mama. Yep. So this came from Wayfair.com. This pillow came from Wayfair.com. These pillows came from At Home, and the gray leopard ones that's on the couch is from Pier 1. So I really love it. We probably do a lot of Q&As and other videos. I just love it so much. So, yep, complete vibes. I'm feeling it. So my rug came from At Home, and I did link an alternate because At Home is sold out. My coffee table is from Target.com, and I have some flowers and my Ashley Stewart, Find the Ashley Stewart pamphlet, and I got my colleagues' books, my business coach, Queen 18, Tiffany Flamer. She was in a magazine, Smooches magazine, and my business coach, she has a magazine called Work Magazine, Coriel Du Bois. If you don't know her, get to know her. And The Hollywood Commandments by Devon Franklin. And of course, you can't have a coffee table without forever First Lady Michelle Obama. Stop. Okay, so in my book, in the front, again, to just remind myself and those that come into my studio, you know, she's an author. She got words, she got vibes, she got wisdom. Anywho, this is my rug, my coffee table, and what I have on it. Hence the marble box. The wallpaper came from Amazon.com, so that's linked below. The lip light is from Amazon.com. This easel mirror is from TJ Maxx, but I linked one from Amazon that looks just like it, okay? And yes, so I use nameplates to categorize the lipsticks by brand, and the lip trays are from Luxbox.com. The little shaggy rug is from Amazon.com. And special shout out to Angelique from A Precious Memory. She has an Etsy store and she hand makes these lipstick containers. So I wanted to acknowledge her. So, y'all see this beautiful wallpaper. Again, it's from Amazon.com. Linked it below so we could be vibing together, okay? My branding pictures, I put them in a straight row. An old colleague did that for me, so thank you so much. And this rail clothing rack, it is from Target. I actually went to the store, but I linked it below so you can buy it online if you like. But yes, when it's haul time, this bad boy is coming out, okay? We're gonna move the couch out the way and we're gonna get the hauling against this pretty wallpaper, okay? So that's where I got that from. Now, step into my office. So it was not my intention initially to go with the Grecian theme, but it fell that way, okay? It just flowed. The Lord had me. POP hold me down. So I have these room dividers, and they are from Wayfair.com, and they have it in black, a burgundy, and a natural wood color. Also, the rug is from rugs.com. Again, it fell Grecian style. And the table or my office desk is from Wayfair.com. The letters are from Hobby Lobby. Your girl had to let you know who runs the show, CCLVCHRISTINA. And my lamp came from Pier 1. The shade came from At Home. I have my favorite Bath and Body Works candle, and it is frosted cranberry, and the lid would be marble. I got this desk organizer from TJ Maxx. So I have some blouses, some amazing skirts, amazing blouses, amazing blazers. Let me get out the way. Some amazing coats that I love. I put just a few because I didn't want to break the thing weighing down with the coats. And then my favorite cardigans and some jumpsuits and some pants and all that stuff. So, and up top, I have my favorite dupes. You know, my niche for my channel is designer dupes. So I have a few of my favorite Aldo purses and other purses. Some you've seen, some we vibed with, some you hadn't been acquainted with yet, but that's coming. Stay tuned. Yes. So, hence this is my closet. And I am just so happy. All right, people of God, this concludes my initial tour of the Marble Box. I hope you digged it, you liked it, you loved it, you was feeling it, and you got your entire complete other life. But yes, always remember that confidence is a lifestyle, and don't you dare walk out the door without it. I love you all so much. We're back. So I'll see you sooner than later so we can get into some things, all right? I love you. Bye.